Belum.
Nah, gas Rob.
Okay. Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, my name is Robbie. So today we are gonna learn intensive listening.
Wow.
Next slide. So first, definition of intensive listening. Intensive listening is a listening activity that focus on understanding specific details of spoken language, such as pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, and exact information. In intensive listening, learners listen carefully to short audio materials and often repeat the listening process to identify particular words, phrases, or language features. Intensive listening is commonly used in English language learning to develop learners' listening accuracy and improve their understanding of how English sounds are used in real communication. Next. Next, characteristics of intensive listening was have 3 points. First, focus on listening accuracy was pay close attention to pronunciation, stress, intonation, vocabulary, and grammar. Second, use short listening materials. Was the audio is usually short, such as conversation, announcements, interviews, or short speeches. Third, last requires repeat listening. It was learns may listen to the same recording several times to catch detailed information. Next. Next slide. Okay, next objective of interest. Sorry, sebelumnya. Okay. Objective of intensive listening. First, to improve the ability to recognize English sounds and pronunciation, and to increase vocabulary knowledge, and to understand grammatical structures in spoken language, and to identify specific information and details, and last, to improve listening accuracy before moving to more complex listening tasks. Next slide. Next is materials used in intensive listening. First, short conversation or dialogues, announcements, instruction, interview, short speech, phone conversation, news clips. Next slide. Next slide is advantage of intensive listening was have 5 points. First, improve pronunciation awareness, develop listening accuracy, expand vocabulary, improve understandings of grammar in spoken English, and last, helps learners understand spoken message more clearly. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide is percentage of intensive listening. It have 4 points. First, it can be difficult for beginners. It requires a lot of concentration. Repeat listening may become boring for some students. And last, it usually focus on short text rather than natural long conversations. Next slide. Okay, so this is the question. Apakah ada yang mau menjawab pertanyaan ini?
Saya, Sir, boleh mau menjawab.
Oke, Arsya mau jawab. sorry. Question. Yeah, Arsha.
Number one, what is the main purpose of intensive listening?
Yes.
So the answer is A, to focus.
Oke, Arsha. Thank you. Dan ada 2 pertanyaan lagi. Siapa yang mau menjawab?
Aku mau coba jawab, Ustaz.
Oke, Wisnu.
Betul,
Apa
which of
jawabannya?
the following usually used in active learning listening activities? Jawabannya B, sir. Station
Oke.
announcement or dialogue.
Oke, Wisnu. Thank you for your answer. And last, siapa lagi yang mau jawab?
Saya Pak.
Ya.
Ya. Intensive listening helps students improve their understanding of misal pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar.
Oke, Fajar. Thank you. Thank you untuk Arsha, Wisnu, dan Fajar. Jadi jawabannya benar semua. Thank you. Appreciate to you all. Oke, next kita ke conclusion. So, intensive listening is a careful and detailed listening process that aims to improve learners' understanding of pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and specific information. It is an important foundation for developing effective English listening skills before moving to more natural and extensive listening activities. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you semuanya yang sudah berpartisipasi. And bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Iya.
Thank you.